What's goody, what's goody, what's good, everybody? Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm really pumped up right now. I'm really excited because your girl just got something in the mail. I am going to be doing a Hairvivi unboxing wig slash review slash installing the wig video. It is June 14th. I ordered this wig June 1st. So thank God it did not take that long for me to receive this hair, because I had heard so many people say that it took like 2 months for them to receive the hair. And thank God that did not happen to me, because I would literally have to sue a bitch. Let's get on with the video. All right, so I kind of started to open it because I tried to film this before. And, you know, I had some technical difficulties. So I didn't even open it yet. All right, I didn't open it yet. But I am just so excited to see what it actually looks like, because I've watched so many unboxing videos of people showing the packaging of this company's wigs. And it's just like, yo, it's so beautiful. Like, so I just want to see it for myself. All right, let's open it up. Wait, hold up. It don't look like it do in the videos. Oh, it's still cute, but where the bow at? It's still cute. I still, you know, I like it. It's real cute. It's real summery. So good job here, Hairvivi. Good job. It's actually really cute. I'm feeling it. All right, here, Hairvivi, with the logo. I see y'all. All right, let's open it up. Oh my God. I'm not even gonna look. Y'all look before me. Look at this. Like, they got wrapping paper with the Hairvivi logo on it. Like, y'all did y'all thing. Y'all really did. But this is like your receipt. In the back of it tells you, you know, don't cut the lace if you're planning on returning it or whatever. Come on, y'all. All right, hold up. So this is the wig. We're gonna get to that in a minute. Thank you so much, Hairvivi. I'm loving y'all already. Like, I'm loving y'all already. All right, and then they gave me 2 wig caps. There's 2 in here. This is definitely too light for me, so I don't know. I could put foundation on it, but I don't know. We'll see. It's good to have, though, so thank you for that. All right, so here is the freaking wig. All right, so I'm not going to apply the wig yet because I do have to go to work soon. So when I get home, either tonight or tomorrow, being that I'm off, I will do like a whole installing and an actual like review on the wig. Oh my God. So I took it out of the little bag. And this is what I got. It comes wrapped in a net. So let's take that off. Oh my God. All right, so my first reaction of this wig so far is, I'm so excited. First initial reaction of this wig is, first of all, the knots are bleached. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the knots are definitely bleached. Let me take this paper out so I can really get to see it. All right, so the knots are bleached. They do look over bleached. There are a few like blonde roots, but that's fine. That hairline, oh my God, y'all, like, I'm really, that hairline is gorgeous. So the feel of the hair, oh my God, the feel of this hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my God, it just feels like great raw hair quality. Oh my God, oh my freaking God. All right, let's see the construction of the wig. Let's see that, let's see that. Ah! So, the construction. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Like, I knew it came with this, but come on, to see it up close and personal, like, what's good? A lot of people, they sew their bands on, but with Hairvivi, you don't have to do it. It comes for free, so that's like a plus. I had to get it. I've never had an elastic band on my wig, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna be too tight, but whatever. Like, if it ain't tight, it ain't right. Ah! All right, y'all, so I'm gonna come back later and I'm gonna, you know, put it on my head. Oh my God, I love it! I love it. Hairvivi, so far so good. Okay guys, so I'm really in a rush right now. I have to go to work and my cat is making a lot of noise, so if you hear noise in this video, I'm very, very sorry. But let's get on with this wig. So I love this wig. I recommend it to everyone who's watching this. If you're looking for a nice wig to wear in the summer, you know, you don't want to have some hair all the way down to your back because it is summer and it's too hot and you don't want to be sweating all over your body, you feel me? This is just like the perfect length, the perfect density. This hair is not thin, it's very thick. Not very thick, but you know, it has a very good density for the length of the wig. Usually when you get like wigs this length, it's very, very thin. But this, honey, Hairvivi got you. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's just amazing, like, that's it. That's all I gotta tell y'all. I love this wig. The only thing I've done was cut the lace and put some baby hairs in and installed it with Ghost Bond glue. So if I could do it, you could do it. As y'all can see, like, I'm really trying to rush through this video because I have to go. I have to get ready for work. But I hope you all enjoyed this video and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Yeah, yeah. God.